Hi everyone. Well, I want to show you something pretty neat in Blackboard that you have access to. I'm logged in, and when you log in, you automatically go to the My Courses tab. And My Course List is up in the left. And you'll notice my course list is pretty short. I just have the courses that I'm teaching this semester. You might be wondering, well, where are your master courses and other things? Well, there's a tab at the top titled Faculty, and only faculty have access to that. So if I click Faculty, what's nice is I have my course list. So this is the same course list that appears in the My Courses tab, so when you log in. But I also have this My Courses section that I can put other courses. So I've decided in my course list that appears in the My Courses tab, I list those courses I'm teaching right now, those things I go in a lot. And under My Courses, I list the master courses and other things that I use frequently. And you can manage that yourself. You notice as I hover over each of these, this wheel appears. So I can just click on the wheel and then I can add items as I need them. So if I wanted this to appear, I'd check that and then click Submit. And now it's in my course list here. So either one you can update. Again, this course list also appears here. Okay, so when you update it in one place, it updates it in the other. So I'm going to go back to the Faculty tab. So I have my two sets of courses, which I really like. That's helped me stay organized. The other section I really like is this Notes section. So let's say I need to I'm updating a course for next semester. What I tend to do is I'll do a little work and then I come back to it later. And sometimes I forget where I was. So I can add a note. Now whatever you put in the first line of your note will be the title of that note. And I'm going to pretend I'm updating a course. And then I'm going to put a note to myself that I went through the syllabus button. Need to work on week one. And I can save that. And now that's in my list of notes. And these just stay here, and whenever you log in, they follow you. So if you're on campus or at home, you have access to those. It's really nice. I have one that contains the password for my test student, which is helpful. So those notes are extremely helpful. The other thing I'd like to point out is this section called Quickly. Quickly lets you do things across your courses pretty quickly. So the first one is course availability. So if you're going to be opening a course, what you can do is you can just click where it says off. You can click it to on. And now that course is available. So you don't have to go through and go down and click properties, etc. And then you can turn them off. So that's really nice. Below course availability, and I'm just going to close that, is post announcement. Now this is nice because I can post the same announcement to multiple courses. So let's say I want to let all my classes know about mock interviews or a speaker on campus. Or maybe I'm going to be gone for a day or two and need them to realize they need to email me and can't contact me via phone, or whatever the message could be. I select the courses in the left that I want to get this message, and I'm picking ones from previous semesters because I don't really have a message to announce right now. And I can put, I'm just going to put mock interviews. I have to spell it right. And I could put a link or whatever it is. You might want to check out. Okay. And if I want to send a copy of that, I could check email announcement. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click submit. And then it's been posted in all of those courses, which is really nice. I can also do the same thing with email. So if I want to send an email message to multiple courses, I just select the courses and then I can type in my subject. I can decide whether I want it sent to myself or not, the message, and I can even upload or attach a document. So that's a pretty slick idea. The other thing I can do is see what needs grading right from here. So I could click needs grading, and it will bring up those classes that need grading, and I can go right from here and do that grading. Now this piece, the needs grading, it's building it as it goes, so sometimes it takes a minute for that to load. So here it brought it up, and I can see for this course I have 16 items that need to be grading. There's actually an assignment due today that people turned in. ePortfolio assignment, it says 5 items need grading. Now I know that assignment isn't technically due till Sunday, so that's why I don't have all of them. But if I wanted to grade some items, I can click right here and it'll list the items that need to be graded. So anyhow, this quickly section, the notes section, my courses with access to the courses list are all there to help you be more efficient and work easier. So I hope this helps. Thanks.